Alright, yes sir, rise and grind. Back at you with another video of the Pull Up King. Alright, in this video we got a 2006 Acura TL. And we got a idler pulley assembly. We're gonna be replacing it. It's a brand new one. Had an old one on here. Somebody put the thing on wrong. And the bolt was just backed out. Came on out, fell off, and this is what we have. I took it off all the way, but that's what we looking like. Got the wheel off, fell off. Get up in here. And that bottom hole is where the 12 mil goes, that bolt, and that bolt right there in the middle, which is a 14 or 15, one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on real fast and show you how to do that. And just put it back together, and it's really reverse order, taking it off. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so this bolt is gonna be a 15 mil, and this is that 12 millimeter bolt that holds the bottom. Go ahead and install. You want to make sure you remove your reservoir off of that bracket right there. Alright, so I sat it in from the top. Just placed it right down in there. This is what I got going on. I went ahead and finger tightened that bolt in the middle. Got it in. Alright. And I'm going to go down to the bottom and go ahead and put that other bolt in. Alright, we at the bottom. We got that bottom bolt in there. Now, it fell out before, so I had to make thread. I had to tap that bolt in there and catch it and turn it so it can tighten down. But I got it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the belt on. And the shield goes over it with some clips and holds it. Alright, to tighten that bolt, got a 15 mil ratchet wrench. That thing go back and forth, you ain't gotta worry about it. Just gonna tighten down, alright, we got the belt routed, and I got it off the bottom pulley on that tensioner. Alright, so what I want to do now is put that 18 millimeter, I'm gonna get leverage and push back on it, and release that tension, and then I'm gonna slip that on that pulley over there. And that's what I got going on. Push back on it. Alright, we on there properly. Ready to start it up. That's it, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.